This is Dead Curious, where real police footage meets unbelievable true stories. What you're about to see is real, but how does it end? You won't believe it.
Hey, drop it! Dude, drop it, man!
Hey, we're talking to you, man. Hello?
Hey, drop it, man, just drop it! Hey, drop it!
Right, everything is being recorded, okay? Everything is on camera.
Hey, buddy, just drop it, man! Hey, just drop it, brother!
Hey! Stop right there! Show me your hands!
All right, just stay back, sir.
What's this address? Yeah.
This is like, it's 3639 Douglas, so now he's going on, like, St. Louis or somewhere like that.
1013, what do you have? The individual. He doesn't want to stop. He's walking through. Yeah. Where's he going right now?
He's going, east.
He's going right.
You know what? I fucking left my car on.
I can.
Hey, brother, we can get you some help, man.
We got a couple of citizens in back of us pretending as if he has a gun, that he is a monster.
Hey, brother, drop it, man. Lawndale.
1800 London, right?
Yeah.
1800 London can get out.
All you gotta do is just drop it. We're here to help you, man. Just drop the gun.
Hey, what are you trying to do, eh?
Hey, buddy, just drop it, man. They're coming on this side, so just kind of be careful.
Stay back!
It's in your hands, buddy.
Throw your hands, dude. Get your hands out of your pocket. Dude, stop. Get your hands up. Come on.
Shots fired. Shots fired by the police. Stay right there.
God! Drop the gun, man! Drop the gun!
Just drop it. Just stay down.
Drop the gun! Just put it! Don't move!
Are you hit?
Officer hit!
Officer down. Officer hit. Officer down. Send an ambulance.
Ah! Where's the gun? Where's the gun, dude?
Ah! They shoot me.
You shot at us. Ah! 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 Ah!
I'm hit. I'm hit.
It's over here. It's over here.
Send the EMS.
Are you hit? Get an ambulance. You gotta
Where's the gun? Where's the gun, dude? You set it up.
10-11, I'm hit, send an ambulance.
You good? Where you hit? Where you hit? Where you hit, Mark? Where you hit? Where you
On my
hit?
side, left side,
Your
left side. Is that yours?
Yeah, this is mine. Dude, get your hands out of your pocket. Dude, stop. Get your hands out. Come on. Come on.
Die! Drop the gun! Die!
It's over here. It's over here.
Get through here! Are you here? Where's the gun? Where's the gun, dude?
It's over there. It's over there. I moved it away. I moved it away. Fuck. Mark, you good? You good? Where you hit? Where you hit? Where you hit? Where you hit, Mark? Where you hit? Where you hit?
My side, left
Your
side, left
side?
side. Is that yours?
Yeah, this is mine. Hey, let's get Mark inside. Let's get Mark inside. He's hitting the leg on the side.
Like,
Which one?
left side, left side. Fuck.
You're good, Mark. You're good.
The button.
Fuck me.
We need all this area blocked off right now. People start backing people up. I can't see what's going on. You got scissors on you?
I got a knife.
I got my med kit.
Back up now! Back up!
I'm hitting the vest too.
I got scissors. Is it up here?
Right here.
Francis. I moved the gun away from him. It's gonna be right here. It's gonna be around here. I just moved it away from him to be sure. Look right there. It's gonna be right there.
Through and through. We got through and through.
Good, Mark. You're good, dude. You think you got another one?
Yeah, I got in the vest.
In the vest?
Yeah.
Let's get his vest off. You're good. Relax. You got through and through and it's not bleeding. You're good, okay? You're good, pal. You're good.
He got me in the hands. He's right.
You got you in the hand?
Yeah.
10-10. 10-10. We have a second officer shot in the hand, okay? First officer shot in the upper right leg and the vest.
Left leg.
Upper left leg.
Show me your hands, dude. Get your hands out of your pocket. Dude, stop. Get your hands out. Come on. Don't move. Are you hit? Where's the gun? Dude? It's over there. No, you shot it up. Show me your hands, dude. Get your hands out of your pocket. Dude, stop. Get your hands up. Come on.
Shot fired by the police.
Guys, drop the gun, man! Drop the gun! 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 Don't move! Are you hit? Okay,
That was just one of the disturbing moments captured on real police footage. If you want more true stories like this, hit subscribe and check out the next case waiting for you right now. You've been watching Dead Curious.